What's up guys, welcome back to Honest Cooks. Today's video is one pot chicken curry that is packed full of flavor and is very easy to make. So get your aprons on. This recipe is derived from a very treasured family recipe all the way from India, and it is so flavorful and easy to make that it's going to be your winter favorite. But before we get cooking, if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. Your support is what keeps us going. And now you can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. We'll start by making a coarse paste of the chilies, ginger, and garlic. Let's marinate the chicken in some yogurt, and we will also use 1 tablespoon of the ginger garlic paste that we just made, along with turmeric, coriander powder, and salt. And we'll mix this and set it in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes. Marinating the chicken in yogurt will help in the breakdown of the tissues, and it will give you more tender meat. And while the chicken is marinating, let's get the gravy ready. In a non-stick pot, heat some oil and add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and all the other whole spices and fry these until fragrant. Add in all of your remaining ginger and garlic paste and cook it till your kitchen smells like Indian food, and when you're ready, add in the onions. Once the onions are about half cooked, add in a small sprinkle of the dried fenugreek leaves, also called kasuri methi. Cover and cook on medium flame, stirring it occasionally. When the onions have a beautiful golden color, add in the tomato paste, mix and cook for about 10 more minutes. And at this point, we will go ahead and add in all of the other spices, and we'll cook these till the oil separates. And once your oil has begun to separate, pour in 1 cup of water and then add in your chicken. If the gravy still looks too thick, pour in another cup of water and cook it until the chicken is ready. And your one pot chicken curry is ready to serve. Top it off with more dried fenugreek leaves and fresh cilantro. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and please subscribe to Honest Cooks. And as always, have a lovely day.